Hey, I think I'm done shoveling on this side. Because, you know.
Seriously, the problem is when the plow plows, you know how much snow is going to be in front of the driveway?
I know. Ahmed's going to come
More than 2 inches.
Plow in front of the driveway, the road.
What are you going to do?
When he plows, it goes to someone else's yard.
No. Then he has to plow before the driveway, so when he plows here, it doesn't come here.
Some Rona, you guys are assholes. And you are terrorists.
Let's just hope that the plow comes and plows on the other side of the street, not this side.